right. That's way too bright. Snoring. His face is kind of close to mine. It's hard to sleep. But he's taking care of me because I got a headache, so I'm gonna just don't want to disturb him. He seems to be sleeping pretty good. Trooper. Yep, just about 8 months old now. A little puppy though. See how small he is.